Look at this photo. This was taken in 1912, 1 year after Hiram Bingham discovered Machu Picchu. But here's the thing, he wasn't the first. And what he found there, that's where things get weird. Bingham gets back to Yale. He's got crates, boxes, artifacts, 46,000 pieces total. Yale archives them, studies some. But in 1916, 3 specific crates were moved to a restricted section. No catalog numbers, just a note. Further analysis required. Limit access. Peru fought for decades to get the artifacts back. Yale returned them in 2011, but those 3 crates, they stayed behind, lost in transfer. I don't believe in coincidences, because Machu Picchu isn't just mysterious because of how it was built. It's mysterious because of when, and maybe by whom. The facts. Built around 1450 AD, Inca civilization. Sits at 7,970 feet above sea level. No wheels, no iron tools, no written language. But they cut stones so precisely, you can't fit a credit card between them. They moved 50-ton blocks up a mountain. They aligned structures with astronomical events with millimeter accuracy. Civil engineers today look at Machu Picchu and say, yeah, we could do that, with cranes, computers, and laser levels. The Inca did it with copper chisels and rope. Therefore, either they had techniques we don't understand, or the timeline is wrong. 2013, Dr. Robert Schoch, the geologist who dated the Sphinx and enraged every Egyptologist, visits Machu Picchu, just doing erosion analysis. But he found something nobody talks about. The stone weathering on the lower terraces shows patterns consistent with thousands of years of water erosion, not hundreds, thousands. The upper structures? Different, less weathering, different construction style. His conclusion? The lower sections are significantly older than 1450 AD. Therefore, either Machu Picchu was built in phases over millennia, or the Inca found something already there and built on top. He submitted his findings to 3 academic journals. All 3 rejected it, not because of bad methodology, because, quote, the conclusions challenge established chronology. Translation: this doesn't fit our story, so we're ignoring it. Those 3 crates. In 1914, Bingham wrote in his personal journal, found implements at lowest terrace, material unknown. Consulted metallurgist, awaiting results. That's it. No follow-up, no published results. But Dr. Harold Wentworth, a metallurgist, worked at Yale from 1912 to 1920. His lab notes, archived, restricted. A student tried to access them in 1987. Request denied. Reason: proprietary research methods. From 1914, this keeps happening. 1968, construction crew near Cusco uncovers a chamber beneath an Inca road. Metal tools inside that didn't match known Inca metalwork. Chamber sealed, never mentioned again. 2001, ground-penetrating radar reveals a void beneath the Temple of the Sun. Peru denies excavation permits. Preservation concerns. 2009, documentary crew captures magnetic anomalies near the Intihuatana stone. Equipment malfunctions. Compasses spin. Footage never aired. Inconclusive. See the pattern? Discovery, excitement, then silence, restrictions, lost records. Therefore, either bureaucracy is really efficient or somebody doesn't want us digging deeper. Literally. I'm not saying aliens, but we don't know what's in those 3 crates. We don't know what Wentworth found in 1914. We don't know what's beneath the Temple of the Sun. We don't know why the lower stones show erosion patterns inconsistent with a 600-year timeline. And every time someone tries to find out, they hit a wall. Therefore, the question isn't, was Machu Picchu built by the Inca in 1450? The question is, why are we not allowed to ask if it wasn't? 2017, Dr. Julio Valdivia, Peruvian archaeologist, submitted a proposal to use LiDAR to map subsurface structures at Machu Picchu. Non-invasive technology, used everywhere. Permit denied. Resubmitted 2019. Denied. 2022. Denied. He died in 2023. Heart attack, age 58. His last interview, 3 months before. There are things beneath Machu Picchu that would rewrite history. I know because I've seen the data. But But history doesn't want to be rewritten. Some doors are closed, not because there's nothing behind them, but because there's too much. And maybe someone decided we're not ready. Or maybe they're not ready for us to know. I want to know. Do you?